Welcome back to Mama Knows Best. So today I'll be doing just a quick unboxing of some Uggs that I just received. These are the Bailey Bow IIs, and I got them in the shimmer. And I ordered them off the Ugg website, and it just came in the mail. So I figured I'll show you guys what they look like, just in case someone was thinking about picking some up for this holiday season and wanted to see, what they actually look like before purchasing them. So, get to it. So, you have on the top of the lid, nothing else around there. That's the box. The box shows like the size and the name here. Uggs.com. Nothing on this side. Uggs.com there as well. And then the description, and it says water resistant here. So we have the shoes here, which I guess I'll go through and show everything in the that's in the package before we actually look at the shoes. We have like a little, instruction manual as to how to care for them and that sort of thing. It has a little story about them, about the origins of the shoe and what materials it's made from, and stating that it's water resistant, waterproof, weather rated, that type of thing. Got some cardboard, you can separate it. More tissue paper. I have no clue what this is for. That's more plastic. And the shoe. Other than that, the box is empty. Okay, so here's the shoes. So here's the bottom. And it's this here is actually called the Tread Light. And I guess this is what Uggs, this is their special soles, I guess. We got Ugg back here on the back. Got the bows. And then you got the shoe. Let's see. Inside here, you have the fur. And it does come with the hard cardboard here to keep the shoes from creasing up. So that's nice. I'll definitely keep those in there, and more than likely even put that back in there after I went home. So here's both shoes. I'll show this one as well. Hopefully they're both in good shape, and they are. Looks nice and brand new. Doesn't look like anyone has ever tried them on or anything like that. So I'm pleased with it. I like the color. I like the little bows in the back. This material in the back, the bows look like they're made of like a thick ribbon. So you got the thick ribbon bows back there. You got the suede here, and then you have the lamb, like the wool on the inside. And that wool, goes basically all the way through. Now it's like the lavender color up top, but I don't know if you can see actually inside, but all the way down inside, that fur is actually a tan color. So here's the shoes. I hope this helped you guys out. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, and thank you very much. Catch you next time.